बेटा आगे ले लियो थोड़ा। Welcome to Real Auto Reviews. My name is Syed Shiraz Shah and that's the new Triumph Thruxton 400. And as one of my viewers suggested that I should always start a review by showing you the bike first, okay, from all angles, and then I'll start riding and I'll tell you about the bike. This is a gorgeous motorcycle. All right, let's ride. That was intentional. This was also intentional. See, I wanted to tell you that I wanted to show to you that the red line has increased by 1000 rpm. Okay, earlier it was 9200 rpm. Now it has been pushed to 10,200 rpm. Yes sir, this is the most powerful Triumph 400 yet among all the Speed 400, the Scrambler, including the yes ma'am, why not, including the XC. Alright, so earlier people thought that this is a mere cosmetic job, and I'm happy to report that is not at all true. Alright, so what has changed? So Triumph and Bajaj have worked on the engine a bit. So what they have done is they have so the cam timing has been changed, and so essentially this gets a new camshaft. Okay, now although Triumph, they haven't shown us both the camshafts side by side, and I'm sure if you look at them you might not be able to tell. So my guess is that the lobe, the cam lobe, has of course been worked on, and that is why now the intake valve lift duration has been increased. Okay, along with that, to cope up, I love this motorcycle. Yeah, right. Along with that, the valve springs are new, stronger, to of course cope up with the new requirements. Alright, so they have to be durable at that kind of red line. So yeah, as far as engine is concerned, that's the major change. In fact, that's the major and only change. Alright, and suspension. Before that, let me tell you that this bike's rake and trail, okay, the steering geometry is exactly the same as the first original Speed 400. All right, and the suspension tune, both front and back, has been changed. Okay, the damping and even the spring rates. It's definitely, you know, stiffer than the Speed 400, and you know, it suits the Thruxton's character. Okay, the Thruxton is a cafe racer, right? So it suits the character quite well, and you would not complain. All right, you would definitely not complain. I was not expecting this to absorb the big you know, potholes at speed. So essentially, if you know, at moderate pace like 50, 60, 70, okay, bad road, you will feel the road. Okay, you will feel the bad roads. At higher speeds, all right, the suspension does an even better job, and it really irons out a lot of big irregularities. Oh, and you must watch my top speed video. It remains absolutely planted at, you know, a speedo indicated 170, 171. You would love this motorcycle. All right, I so wish, you know, they gave a quick shifter, at least as an option. You know, they could have raised the price a bit, okay, or at least as an option that you want a quick shifter. And I'm sure if you are spending this kind of money, which is not much, you know, you would have spent a little more to get the quick shifter. Oh man, this handles beautifully. This is a much more entertaining motorcycle than the Speed 400. The Speed 400 itself is an entertaining motorcycle, and so is the Scrambler. But this is an even more entertaining motorcycle, okay, as compared to the Speed 400. See, the primary reduction and the secondary reduction, they remain exactly the same. However, the final drive has been altered. Okay, it runs a smaller rear sprocket. That's how it reaches that top speed. And of course, it produces more power thanks to the work on the engine, and of course the ECU calibration is different. No, you cannot just put the Thruxton's ECU and get 42 PS. No sir. Like I said, you know, the cam is new, the valve springs are new, and the chassis is the same. However, to incorporate you know, the new seat and the cowl, the last part of the rear subframe has been modified. So yeah guys, this is my you know, first impression of the Triumph Thruxton 400. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. and I will answer them in the comment section. All right. Thank you. Yes, why not, Mr. Suicidal? Yeah, guys, so I'll enjoy the bike and I'll see you later. Bye bye.